Hello guys, today I'll be cleaning an HP desktop. This card was inside with all the cables all over it. I'm marking here my area where I want to cut to make some more space. And now it's time to start disassembling the parts so I can take my power tool and cut all the material from there. My client was told that he could not fit that power supply and that graphics card into the case, so I'm back to differ. And I'm gonna share with you this experience. I'm removing everything from the case so they don't get damaged during the process. I'm starting with my rotary tool, but it wasn't strong enough, so I brought in the big boys. I cut the first part here for the graphics and here the second part for the power supply to make some more space and have more room to cable manage everything. Here I'm grinding all the sharp edges from cutting so the cables don't get torn off, or my hands for that matter. I'm blowing away all the residue that's left, and now I start building the PC again and cable manage everything. First we screw in the motherboard to the standoffs to secure everything. And now I'm gonna start using my cable ties to fix everything into place. I'm playing the CPU old thermal paste that it was completely dried out from all the dust and heat. I'm using some alcohol as well to clean it well. And X marks the spot when applying back the new thermal paste. Even pressure to all sides when screwing in the CPU cooler. I'm cleaning also every part individually with the brush and blower on each step, so it's going back in clean into the case. We insert the RAM, we insert the optical drive, the power supply. Now we secure it with the screws to the case. And I'm routing all the cables from one side, so I have all the space inside the case to place the graphics card and have some good general airflow. This zip tie was a bit hard to secure it, but I finally managed. Now we connect the APU, the power for the CPU. There's other cables. Now we're gonna screw in the hard disk We have a 3 terabyte red NAS. I know it's not a PC for NAS, but that's what the client had already in his build, so I'm reusing it. I'm test fitting the graphics card to see how much space I have, and here I had to see how to secure the SSD in place since it doesn't have any moving parts. One screw is sufficient to hold it in place. And now we have all that space for the graphics card, and it will not suffocate as it did before. Now all the cables are in place, routed, and it's time to clean the graphics card as well. You can see it's all white from the dust. I'm gonna change the thermal paste, which is the most important cooling solution. For the pads, I didn't have any pads on hand, so I just cleaned what I had and reapplied the thermal paste, which is still a good solution than what it was before. This is a Gigabyte GeForce 1070. And you can see now we have a lot of space to put our graphics card in. We secure it, connect it to the power supply, secure the cables so they don't get loose and touch any fans inside. And now for the moment of truth, it's time to connect it. We open up the power, and I forgot to power on the power supply. So I'm going back to the power supply, turn it on, boot it up. We see the fan spinning and we can see the light. So it was a good restoration. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.